Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate or delete Instagram account. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over, open your Instagram and log into your account. And then you're going to click on the profile here at the bottom right. After that, you're going to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right, and then you'll be redirected to settings and activity. You're going to click on account center, and then you're going to scroll down, click on manage accounts, and right next to your Instagram, you're going to click on manage. After that, you'll be redirected to an interface where you'll be able to see an option that says deactivation or deletion. Click on it, and deactivating is basically temporarily deactivating your account, and whenever you log into your account using your correct credentials, you'll be granted the login access. But in deleting account, you have to log into your account within 30 days in order to regain access. If you don't, then your account will permanently be deleted from the Instagram database. So you can simply click on continue, type down the reason why you're leaving Instagram, and type down your password, and you're good to go. So that is basically how you can deactivate or delete your Instagram account. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.